entire party thinks we're dating.
So surprise to me, I'm going to Coachella today. Yep, you heard that right. So I am packing my bags right now. I have to be at the airport in 2 hours. Shout out to the Sony ZV1 for inviting me. I don't even have a suitcase yet. Really want to make these cowboy boots work. However, unfortunately, they are quite unpleasant to walk in, and I know that these are like 12-hour days and a lot of walking, so. They are my most visually pleasing shoe. I think I've got everything. Time will tell.
Sure you have.
I did forget one little thing. My passport. So we are going back now.
Yes.
Yes. Bye, Nan. Love you.
Bye.
See you next week. We're going. So
Yeah, what are you doing for the weekend? Because he's going to Coachella for one
true, I
weekend.
guess. I had my Pringles, I had my headphones on like Addison Rae, and I slept for 15 hours. I did eat this. It was okay. We actually missed our connecting flight from LA to Coachella. So, yeah, I don't know. Hope was not lost. We got an Uber, and he was great. He let us get in and out. Also, we visited a Chili's to use the bathroom. I got one of these hats. Welcome to my estate. Actually forgot what room number they said I had. So I may have to go knock and running. Hey guys, I forgot my room number.
2254?
Oh, 22. Oh, is it this one?
Isn't yours 2256?
Oh, 6?
Very cute, very cute. Thank you, Sony. We got some water bottles. Oh, this is our ticket. Yay. Brewed up.
Hello, my name is
Solo Cella. Oh, okay. This. There's like a. I think I got it.
It's kind of working.
It's almost a full moon, so I reckon it's gonna be a full moon tomorrow. Coachella. Waiting for the bus.
Wait, what? What did he say?
The bus into town. Into the festival. I ended up wearing the boots. I just got some inner soles to make them a little more comfortable. I see the Ferris wheel from the Pinterest board. Over there. I think we're trying to get some boots off.
Yeah, that's what we were just talking about.
The Leaning Tower of Pinterest. Seeing all these artists in one place is wild. It feels like watching iParty with Victorious or Wizards of Waverly Place on deck, you know? I'm so lucky to be here. Guys, it's Emily! This is Levi. Yeah. And this poster, you predicted M2M success.
Yeah,
right?
it's always been a success.
Oh, thank you,
I just opened everybody's eyes.
You did, so thank you very much. Very talented. Levi made all of these posters, and I'm getting this one. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Got a bit of a predicament. I'm trying to see Lisa right now. She's on in like 3 minutes, miles away, and then I want to see the Marias because they're my favorite artists right now. But they're all the way back where Tyler was. But they're like kind of overlapping. Lisa!
Come on, don't leave me. It can't be that easy, babe. Fly to your city, excited to see your face. Hold me, console me, and then I'll leave without a trace. Come on, don't leave me.
Oh my god, that's so funny. We tossed her metal water bottle at the beginning of the day, 2 p.m. Yes. 1 a.m.
Into the hill.
Still here. It's still here, guys.
Yeah. Lady Gaga performance was the most electrifying, genuinely amazing live performance I think I've ever seen in my life. There was a whole narrative throughout it. There was like 5 acts. unbelievable vocal stamina. At one part she said, "Good night, everyone." She disappeared. Half the people left. And then she had the whole another finale act where she sang Bad Romance. I knew she was not done. Got to meet some of you guys. There's about 3 people from New York that came up to me. I'm waiting for my Uber Eats, which I ordered an hour ago. It's now 3:30 a.m. I don't even want it. I'm just gonna wait here to be polite. I think he has, oops. I got it. Made for us. This is stone cold. Wow. Okay. Do we see a slight difference? I lost the microphone. I put a tie on my head, and I put a tie here, and I put a tie on my belt, and I'm all tied up and ready to go to Coachella on day 2.
It was a Lady Gaga show last night.
Oh, it was amazing. I'm thinking of just buying a cereal and getting some milk, because I need some breakfast. Maybe this. Honey Oat Cheerios. Am I gonna have to buy a whole liter of milk? The traffic got really bad, so we got out and walked the rest of the way. There were these people here sitting and watching the Coachella goers struggle in the heat, which I'm sure was a very entertaining sight. Look at this huge area. There's some stores, there's some food. We got some popsicles. Yeah. Here you go. We're about to go on a golf cart. To
Sonora.
Honora? Well, could have been us, but we're getting the cardio in. Behind the scenes at Coachella, we have golf carts moving at the speed of light. What the heck? I love classical music!
I released a new song a week ago, and this is gonna be the first live performance of it, which is so
I just got given some gifts.
We got refraction lenses. Watch this, children.
How do I open
See that?
Oh, wow.
You gotta pull the peel.
There's no peel.
Googly eyes.
Jolly Ranchers.
Oh my.
Googly eyes.
This isn't
Not for you though.
Oh.
If you like music, you're at a music festival. I'll play you the song on my people.
Me when I'm not sweaty.
Yeah,
That was good. You play harmonica,
I
don't you?
play harmonica for like 2
Bob
seconds.
Dylan?
For
I used to play harmonica, then my dad threw it out.
Calling big phone service. Oh, tiny phone is calling.
No way. What the heck?
When you do this. Hi, hello.
It's a real phone!
It's a voice changer. Hi, hello.
Still
Hello. I kinda met Kate Hudson and Anya Taylor-Joy, 2 of my favorite blonde people. Yeah, my lungs are filled with dust, which is a new feeling for me. And I found out today when I was in the artist section that there's some secret places. Like there's a secret restaurant, there's a Nobu, there's another restaurant that's really hard to get into. Here I am eating handfuls of cereal from Walgreens. I got to meet some other artists that knew my music and I knew their music, which was cool. There's this little artist area where it looks very Disneyland-esque. And then you walk through and there's golf carts, which you can actually get around to all the stages, but through the outside of the perimeter of Coachella. Technically get around quicker, except the line for the golf cart was so long that we didn't end up even doing it. Good morning, good morning. That's the vibe I'm giving off today. Very chimney sweep. Top of the morning to you.
Top of the morning is great.
Well, it's true.
That angle is not it.
We were just discussing how crazy it is that this is only 100,000 people. And this is like the most people I've ever seen. And some of our videos and stuff like get, I don't know, 100,000 million views or likes or whatever.
Million.
Visualizing that many people is crazy. And it's like, and then I go to my head, I'm like, oh my goodness, that many people have seen me ever.
And it's like a reality check and wake up call as well, I feel like. Because sometimes you're like, oh, like this flop, that flop.
hang on a damn minute. Like, put that many people in a room, and
Yeah.
you will be like shook to your core.
Anyway,
Crazy.
we're just having this revelation. This place looks exactly like Lava Springs from High School Musical. Sharpay should have gone away. She's the best.
I know.
So
They really did her dirty. Like,
they did. They made her the villain. She was not a villain. She was the theater kid. So I was just watching back some footage and realized I've been shooting in slow-mo. Hello.
Hello.
Bulla. We're on the shuttle, on our way. We're gonna see Jenny. I'm so convinced these mountains are a backdrop. There's no way that's real.
It's like the Truman Show.
That's 2D, yeah. Everything is so flat here. I'm just putting out there, I suggest everyone be at the main stage at 10 p.m. You're playing. That's all I'm saying, okay? It's you. I'm gonna leave it at that. Who knows? I couldn't say.
One more right there.
The boot barn, like an actual cowboy.
You're so funny. Where are you from?
I'm from Sydney, Australia, but
Yeah, Aussie.
yeah. What just happened? Hold on. Just rolled my jeans up and got a video saying how cool my boots are, and then took a video for Instagram that was literally like this. So we'll see what that looks like. Got this pizza. See, I don't mind a bit of PDA, I participate myself, but the couple in front of me were not coming up for air, and in this, the heat, the volume of the lip smacking, because they were such dry kisses, it was so much, and I had to move spots so that I could enjoy Jenny. Sorry to that couple, I'm sorry, you know, I'm not sorry to that couple. That man was licking her shoulder in the mosh pit. Eye drops. So there's actually no reception and I lost my friends. So I'm sitting here eating a burger yet again. I'm eating on these same steps. Something happened at the end of Megan's set where the music like fully cut out. I think all the audio cut out, and then they had to just like kind of bow and shuffle off the stage, which was really sad, and that was really hard as an artist. It's Wi-Fi! There is a Wi-Fi with no password. Well, anyways, I was living in the moment. I've got nothing left. I left it all on the dance floor. That was an incredible experience. I need to build my immune system so that next time I come, I survive better than I have this time. Tonight in Megan's set, Sierra came out and sang goodies. Queen Latifah came out. Even after day one, you kind of take for granted how many incredible artists are all in one little space. It's so wild. Thank you, Sony, for sending me. Shout out to the Sony ZV1 Mark II for filming this vlog for me. I think I run into every single person that I've ever met in LA in this weekend. And then in the door frame because there was an earthquake. Goodbye, Lava Springs. This is real, this is me, I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. And now I'm supposed to be in a car going to the airport. There's orcs, but I kind of just want to sit in silence or listen to like some violin ambiance or something. Whale noises, something like that.